Hello and welcome to the Hornby Magazine workshop. In this video we're going to be looking at the new Hornby sliding door Mark III coaches. Now these are brand new toolings from the ground up, so there's nothing from the previous generation of Mark III coaches made by Hornby being carried forward to these. Now they're available in cross-country livery, they're available in ScotRail Intercity 7 livery, and they're also available in Great Western Green as seen here on our layout. Now for each of those colour schemes there's a complete set of coaches for each to be able to model realistic scale length trains covering the 7 coaches of a cross-country set, 4 coaches for a Great Western set, and the 4/5 coach formations of the Intercity 7 stock as well. As I said, these coaches are brand new from the ground up, so everything is fresh for these vehicles. So they've got NEM coupling pockets which are body mounted, and they come with a choice of either the factory fitted small tension locks, or you can add in the replacement Roco couplers which are included with each coach as well. They come with turn metal wheels which have got brake disc detail on them as well. That's a really nice addition on these. Fully detailed brake pipe work on one side of each bogie at each end of the vehicle. They've got nicely tinted windows to them, unique interior mouldings to match the format of the vehicles they model as well. They've got the recessed sliding doors which are a really important part of these vehicles as well. And even things like the gangway and the underframe boxes, they're all brand new for these coaches. I believe also for the first time for Hornby Mark III, they've also got the steps from the door as well. There's actually 2 different rakes of each vehicle type available. So for example, the Great Western sets, you can have 2 different 4 vehicle formations from what Hornby has produced for its first run of these Mark III sliding door coaches. Now, in the latest issue of Hornby Magazine, that's issue 157 on sale from June the 4th, 2020, we've included a full list of which vehicles you can put together to create a realistic formation from each of those liveries. So that covers the cross-country, ScotRail, Intercity 7 and the Great Western coaches that are here. As we mentioned, we've got different types of couplings available with each of these coaches, and both types come in the box. So the small tension locks like these, they come factory fitted to each vehicle, and then in each box you get a pair of the Roco close couplings as well, and it's a simple case of pulling out the tension lock coupling and plugging in the Roco coupling as well. And that gives you a bit neater coupling between the coaches. It shortens the gap and makes it a firm gap as well, and it also stops any bounce as well. So if you run coaches with tension locks, you'll know they have a bit of an ability to bounce back and forward sometimes under load. Now, looking a bit closer at the coach, like I mentioned as well, underneath the bogies are now completely independent of the couplings, so they actually swing independently. And you can see here you've got the couplings on a cam built into the bottom of the body. I also mentioned, so these are the first Hornby coaches to feature the steps from the door. That's a nice little addition there for the detail. And they've also got representation of the multiple working connectors underneath there, and also a Buckeye coupling on the front buffer beam as well. Each vehicle is also uniquely lettered. You can see here, we've got coach D here, and just behind we've got coach C and coach B, and just to the left outer shot is coach A. We hope you enjoy, and let us know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching.